Da-da-da. Please open the door. I'm sorry for what we said before, when harsh words were spoken and you walked away. You left me standing in the rain. Silence grows louder with every homeward journey, as a curtain comes down on the day. But in the night, the scenes replayed. Moreover, it's cold and they won't go away. So tomorrow in the sun, say all we need to say. Don't leave me standing in the rain. Da 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 dum, da dum. La da da da, dee-lum, dee-lum, dee-dum, 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 dee-dum. Here by the wall, there's a faded photo. It feels like yesterday. A boy on a beach, skimming stones with some fella. How we laughed and played that sunny day. For me, my boy, to recapture what we can of our love that got buried in the sand. One warm embrace will burn away that pain of the years we hung there in the rain. So please open the door. I'm sorry for what we said before. Please open the door. I'm sorry for all that's gone before. Harsh words were spoken, they left us in the rain. But together there'll be sunshine again.